Welcome back, guys. This is Vishu from SavageCamp, and this is part 2 of the previous video that we left halfway because it was getting longer. So in this video, we are just going to write the prices in a dictionary format to a folder. So all we are going to do is there are two options. One, you can have only one file, and every day you will keep adding new values inside that file in each line. And the second one, which I'm going to show you, is to create a new file and just add that price every day. The problem is our file name is going to be 9th of August 2021. It's easier to read that, but inside the value we are going to use the normal date time value. So let me fix a couple of things over here. Self.output is going to be, this is going to be response data, actually response JSON is equal to res.json, and this one is going to be response JSON of this whole thing. So self.output is only going to have one value inside it. So we have the value, we need to create a dictionary. So temp dictionary is equal to, now the key, we can either have the file name as the key, but I really don't want that. I want to keep it easy so everyone can figure it out. So tday, which is today, is equal to datetime.now dot string format, and we will keep it the easy way, which is year, then %m, small m, and then %small d. So this is going to give me, let me show you what we get from this. So if I run this now, I'm getting this value. This is going to be the key, so it can be easily retrieved whenever you want. So this is our key. So temp dict is going to be today's date, which is going to be the key, and self.output is going to be the value. So we have this temp dict, and let's do a with open. We need to open daily practice. So daily practice slash, actually this should be in quotes. So daily practice slash, this is going to have self.filename, and at the end we will open it in a write mode, so it will create the file if it does not exist as f and json.dump, and we already have this in a dictionary format, so we are not going to do dumps, we are just going to do dump, and I will put today temp dict and the file name. So what this is going to do is convert it into a JSON and dump it inside the file, and a new file would be created. So let me undo this, and hopefully now it should write to file and create a new one. So if I run this now, I'm getting a error which is self.filename is underscore. So if I run this now, it worked. So we have 9th of August. This one should, it's a good practice to add txt. So just so it's text, and you can see our date and the current value. So there are various things you can do now. What I will do is remove this, show you again, run this. It's generated again and it's 1.73. So now you have an option to just say, now the value is 1.73. So what you can do is, if self.output is less than 1.6, then just like send print buy or sell. It's up to you, but this is how you will create a price alert for this, and then you can use an SMS authentication. That is what I'm going to make as a project, but this is one way you can modify this script. But usually I would say run it every day and let it generate files, and then you can look up any historical date and you can find the value over there. It's a simple project, but it's pretty useful because you are doing something with real world and that has real life use. So I would say give this a try and let me know if you have any questions. Like, feel free to comment below and I will answer to each of the comments that you put in. So that's it for this video, guys. Let me know if you have any problems and I will see you guys in the next one.